Flying for the first time. It can feel overwhelming, but it's not as complicated as it looks. I'll guide you step by step so you can walk through the airport with confidence and actually enjoy the journey. Arrive at the airport 2 to 3 hours early, more for international flights. That extra time is your best friend, giving you a buffer for queues or surprises. Head to departures, find your airline on your ticket, and check the big screens for your check-in desk. If you're parking, follow the signs. If you're getting dropped off, the driver will know where to go. The adventure starts the moment you walk through those sliding doors. Find your flight number or destination on the departure board. It'll point you to the right check-in desk. Let's get checked in. At check-in, you can use a staffed counter or a self-service kiosk. Both are easy. Enter your booking code or scan your passport, confirm your details, and print your boarding pass. If you have only a carry-on and checked in online, you might skip this step and head straight to security. Checking a bag? Drop it at the bag drop, where it'll be tagged and sent to the plane. Double-check your boarding pass for correct details. With your pass and ID, you're ready for the next stage, onto security. Security can seem daunting, but it's simple if you're prepared. Have your boarding pass and ID ready. Take out large electronics and place them in a tray. Liquids must be in containers under 100 milliliters, all inside a clear, resealable bag. Remove shoes, belts, and jackets if asked. Place everything in trays, walk through the scanner, and collect your items on the other side. Stay calm and follow staff instructions. You're through security. Now you're in the departures lounge. Shops, restaurants, and your gate await. Check the departure screens for your flight and gate number. If your gate isn't listed yet, wait nearby and check the screens regularly. Once you have your gate, follow the signs. Airports are designed to be easy to navigate. Be ready for a walk. Some gates are far. Gates can change, so keep an eye on the boards. Find your gate, confirm you're in the right place, and relax until boarding. At your gate, listen for boarding announcements they'll call groups or zones. Check your boarding pass for your group number. When your group is called, join the line with your pass and ID ready. Walk down the jet bridge, find your seat, and stow your bag overhead. Flight attendants can help if you need directions. Settle in, you've made it. You're on the plane and ready for takeoff. Wear slip-on shoes for quick security checks. Use the restroom before security. Lines are shorter. Bring an empty water bottle to fill after security. Pack snacks to save money. Stay calm and ask airport staff for help if you're unsure. There are no stupid questions. Staff help first-timers every day. Keep your documents handy and check screens often. You've got this. You've navigated every step from check-in to your seat. Give yourself plenty of time, stay prepared, and don't panic if you get a little lost. Next time, you'll be even more confident. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Your adventure is about to begin. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner travel tips. Happy travels!